Welcome to today's review of the LSIKMC USB-C laptop docking station, a powerhouse that transforms your laptop into a full-scale workstation. Let's break down the features of this incredible USB-C hub. Triple display support. You can connect up to two 4K HDMI monitors and a single 8K DisplayPort monitor. This is perfect for multitasking across different screens, giving you crisp, high-resolution visuals whether you're working, gaming, or streaming. 11-in-1 USB docking station, featuring a USB-C data port, two USB VA 3.0, one USB-C slots, dual HDMI, and a DisplayPort for seamless adapter use. The power port boosts this dock charging capabilities, supporting high-definition triple-screen expansion, 100-watt USB-C charging, enhanced docking station features, allowing connection to a 100-watt charger via the C port. It delivers up to 87 watt of stable power to laptops and sustains charging even when an external monitor is connected. Fast data transfer. The dock comes with 4 USB ports, allowing you to connect a variety of peripherals like external hard drives, USB sticks, and keyboards. With fast data transfer speeds, moving files between devices is quick and easy. Gigabit Ethernet. The Gigabit Ethernet port offers a fast, stable, and secure wired connection for seamless online gaming, streaming, and work. Enhance your online experience with this USB-C hub, which includes a Swift Ethernet to USB-C hub, which includes a Swift Ethernet to USB adapter for quick movie downloads. Broad device compatibility. Whether you're using a MacBook Pro, Dell XPS, HPS, HP EliteBook, or Lenovo ThinkPad, the LSIKMC dock offers broad compatibility with a wide range of laptops, making it a flexible solution for any user. If you're ready to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, this dock is a must-have. Check out the link below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.